Hi, I'm Mahalakshmi. Today we are going to make moisturizing rose and hibiscus hand cream. To make this hand cream, I'll be using hibiscus glyceride. I have infused dried hibiscus flowers for 2 weeks and then filtered it. Also some almond oil in which I have infused dried rose flowers for 2 weeks and then filtered it. I would like to add some wonderfully smelling rose geranium essential oil to give it a more rosy kind of scent. For the moisturizing benefits, I am adding coconut oil, almond oil, lanolin and some glycerin. The major part of a cream or a lotion is water, but water and oils doesn't mix. We need an emulsifier to mix water and oils. There are different kinds of emulsifiers: natural emulsifiers, organic emulsifiers, water in oil and oil in water emulsifiers. I'll be using emulsifying wax NF here. There are typically 3 phases in making cream or a lotion. One is the heated phase or the oil phase. The second one is the water phase, and the third one is the cool down phase. All the oils, butters, waxes go into the heated oil phase, and all the water soluble ingredients go into the water phase, and the ingredients which are sensitive to heat like essential oils, extracts, vitamins go under cool down phase. First we will heat all the heated oil phase ingredients and the water phase ingredients in a double boiler until all the waxes and butters are melted. Then once it comes to the room temperature or below 40 degrees centigrade, we will add our cool down ingredients. I am making a 50-gram batch product. To make this, these are the ingredients which are required. First, the heated oil phase: lanolin of 1.5 grams, coconut oil and rose infused almond oil of 6.5 grams, beeswax of 1 gram, cocoa butter of 1 gram, arrowroot powder of 1 gram, cetearyl alcohol of 1 gram, and emulsify the water phase 30.95 grams of water, which is distilled water, and 2.5 grams of our rose infused glycerin. In the cool down phase, I have added 0.5 grams of preservative, 0.05 grams of vitamin E, 0.5 grams of rose geranium essential oil, and 0.5 grams of allantoin. Bought emulsifying wax NF from Amazon, rose geranium oil also from Amazon, and the preservative which I'll be using is Geogard ACT, and it is from the Moksha Lifestyle. For this product, I'll be using a pinch of mica. I'll add all our heated oil phase ingredients in a glass beaker. I am using arrowroot powder to prevent greasiness and a good skin feel. There are many vegan waxes available like Candelilla and Carnauba wax. You can check my blog for more information and substitutions. Cetearyl alcohol is my co-emulsifier. I'll put both these beakers in a double boiler. Ingredients using double boiler, you can take any vessel or a pot, fill it half with water, and then put your glass beakers. I'll heat this now for 20 minutes or even less until all our butters and waxes are melted. I am heating my oil phase and water phase on a double boiler. Stir the ingredients occasionally to mix everything properly. This is my heated oil phase and this is my heated water phase. I'll pour the water phase into the oil phase. Give it a good stir. The immersion blender is used, but since the batch is small, I am using coffee frother and a hand mixer. Mix it thoroughly, giving gap of 5 to 10 seconds for 5 minutes. I'll use hand mixer as well. It is thickening up slowly. I'll give a gap of 30 seconds and again I'll mix it. Adding a pinch of color in my cool down phase and I'll mix it thoroughly. The cool down ingredients has preservative, vitamin E to prevent the oils from rancidity, allantoin, in a 50-gram container. Here is a beautiful hand cream. It smells like rose but looks like a strawberry ice cream. I am using the label which I made. Here is gorgeous hibiscus and rose moisturizing hand cream. Quick demo. It glides on beautifully. Here are few things to note. Water is life for many living organisms. So when you make a cream or lotion or any product which contains water, glycerin or honey, it's better you add a preservative. I am using GeoGuard ECT, which is a natural preservative here. You could use any like Optifine Liquid Germal Plus or any other preservative. Also note that preservative have few restrictions. The second one, to make an emulsified cream or a lotion, you definitely need an emulsifier. Beeswax is not an emulsifier. You need emulsifying wax, NF, Olivem 1000 or any other emulsifiers. When you heat the water phase ingredients, a certain amount of water is lost. So you need to note down the weight of the water before putting it on the double boiler and add the water later once you bring down the ingredients to mix. Also, please follow good manufacturing practices when you are making products at home, because it is not completely sterile and we cannot prevent few dust particles or microorganisms. So always sterilize your containers using isopropyl alcohol and clean your surface where you are making the products. Don't measure the ingredients in spoons or cups, because it might not be an accurate measurements to put preservative. You could use a scale which weighs up to 0.01 gram.